Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you what to do if the Chase app isn't loading. So first, check your internet connection and make sure other apps can access the internet. Then try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, completely close the Chase app and open it again. If it still doesn't load, then try restarting your phone as well. Then open your official app store and check for a Chase mobile update. If any updates are available, then install the latest available version. You should also check whether your phone has enough free storage and whether its operating system needs an update. If the app is still unavailable, then check Chase's official service information to see whether there is a temporary outage. And please don't repeatedly enter your login details if the app isn't loading properly. If the problem affects only your device, then reinstalling the app may help, but make sure you know your login and verification details before doing that. If nothing works, then you need to contact Chase through its official support channels. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.